This video will show you how to complete page 92 out of your math book. For each problem, write, solve, and graph the inequality, and interpret the solution within the context of the problem. So Mrs. Smith decides to buy 3 sweaters and a pair of jeans. She has $120 in her wallet. If the price of the jeans is $35, what's the highest possible price of a sweater if each sweater is the same price? What's the highest possible price of a sweater, and they're all the same price? Okay, so my variable, I'm going to use X, and what's that going to represent? The highest possible price of a sweater. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and build the inequality. All right, so there's a sweater, the highest possible price of a sweater. How many did she buy? 3 of them. So 3 sweaters, and that's how much they cost per sweater. And what else did she spend? $35 on jeans. So you're going to add to those expenses. So this right here is the cost of 3 sweaters and jeans. Okay, that says the cost of 3 sweaters and jeans. And how much does this girl have? She has $120. And we're just going to assume that this includes like tax and stuff, so don't even worry about that. So this amount that she's spending, can it be more than $120? No, because she's got exactly $120. That'd be really embarrassing if the cost of everything was more than $120 and all she has is $120. Okay, she'd have to phone a lifeline or something to get more money or put something back. So let's see, this can't be more than $120. So could the cost equal exactly $120? Yeah, it could. She's got that much. She can cover that. What if it was more? Could the cost be more than that? Nope. So that's why the cost has to be less than or equal to $120. Okay? All right. Now let's go ahead. I have to rewrite it so I have more room. I'll write it down right under there. Okay, we are able to build it because it's already, simplified. There's nothing I have to combine or anything, or I don't have to move variables to the same side, so I can just go right into building it. Start with X, then we multiplied it by 3, then we added 35. Inverse operation of adding 35 is to subtract 35, so you'll do that to both sides of the inequality. 35 take away 35 is 0, 120 take away 35 is 85. Bring down your inequality sign, bring down your 3 times x, go back up. Inverse operation of timesing by 3 is to divide by 3. You'll do that to both sides of the inequality. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. Or 1x. 85 divided by 3 is that. I'm going to round to nearest hundredth. So tenths, hundredths place, look at the thousandths place. If this is 5 or above, this turns into a 4, but it's not, so it stays the same. So 2833. Keep the inequality sign consistent because we did not multiply or divide by a negative. So the directions said I had to also graph it, so I'm going to graph that real quick. I'm going to stick to integers. I'm not going to count by decimals or anything weird, so I'll go 27, 28, 29, 30, and so x can be any number less than or exactly equal to 2833. So $28.33 would be about like, I don't know. So this would be 28.5, so a little bit like right there maybe, approximately. And it could equal it, so that's why I'm filling it in. Or it could be less than that amount. Okay, so that's that. And now we have to interpret it in the context of the problem. So X represented the highest possible price of a sweater. So the highest possible price of a sweater is $28.33. If it's any more than that, she's going to go over that 120 and she's going to have a problem. To put something back. Okay. The members of the select chorus agreed to buy at least 250 tickets for an outside concert. So there's some people in choir and they're like, hey, you know what? We'll buy at least 250 tickets to go to this concert at the Gorge. Okay. So they're going to buy at least that many. And they buy, well, I guess it's not the Gorge because there's balcony tickets. So I guess, I don't even know the nearest concert place. Somewhere in Seattle or Spokane, I don't know. So they have a place, it's outdoors, and they're buying 20 fewer lawn tickets than balcony tickets. Okay, so there's tickets where you can just chill on the lawn and watch the show, or you can go up up high on some balcony, okay? And they're gonna buy 20 fewer lawn tickets than balcony tickets. So that means they're gonna buy more balcony tickets than lawn tickets. So what's the least number of balcony tickets bought? Okay, that's gonna be my variable. X is gonna represent the least number of balcony tickets bought. All right, so this is the number of balcony tickets, okay? That's how many they're gonna buy. Okay, and they're also gonna buy some of those lawn tickets. So they're gonna add to that. And what do you know about the lawn tickets? There's 20 fewer lawn tickets than balcony tickets. So here's balcony, and then here's balcony minus 20. Okay, and that represents the lawn tickets, because remember, they take the balcony tickets, subtract 20. And they said that they were going to buy at least 250 tickets to go for that concert. So their total is going to be at least 250, okay? So the number of tickets that they're buying, it's going to be at least 250, because they're like, dude, we're going to buy 250? At least. Okay, so at least they could buy exactly 250. But if I made it this way, would that be at least, would that imply 250 or more? No. That's saying 250 or less. They're saying at least 250, so they're saying 250 or more, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to rewrite it down here so I have more room, because I kind of labeled everything right there. So I'm going to write x plus x minus 20 is greater than or equal to 250. Okay, I see something right here. I see parentheses, and I see a symbol directly in front of it. You should remember, whenever you see parentheses or and a symbol, plus or minus symbol, or a number in front of it, or a number and a symbol, you know, like if there was like a 3 there, you got to distribute it, okay? All right, so a positive times a positive x is a positive x. And then a positive times this negative 20, positive times a negative is a negative, so it's negative 20. And then bring down your x, okay, from there. It's greater than or equal to 250, okay? All right, cannot build it yet because you got some like terms to combine. X plus x is 2x minus 20 is greater than or equal to 250. Okay, now we can build it. Now we're fine to build it. So we start with x. Then after that, we multiplied it by 2. Then after that, we subtracted 20. Inverse operation of subtracting 20 is to add 20, and you're going to do that to both sides of the inequality. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. 250 plus 20 is 270. 270. Bring down your inequality sign, bring down your 2x. Go back up. Inverse operation of timesing by 2 is divide by 2. Do that to both sides of the inequality sign. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is 1x or x. And then don't flip the sign because we didn't multiply or divide by a negative. Okay, 270 divided by 2 is 135. Okay, I'm supposed to graph it. So I'll graph it right here. Okay, so it's x, the x is the number of balcony tickets bought is going to be greater than or equal to 135. So it could equal exactly 135. And it could be greater than that too. So numbers greater than 135 are like 136, 137. Goes to the right. So there is that. And now I got to interpret it because that's what the directions said. And so x represents the least number of balcony tickets bought. So the least number of balcony tickets bought is 135 tickets. So they're buying 135 tickets or more of balcony tickets. B-U-Y. Sorry, I'm spelling it wrong. Okay. I don't know why the lighting is so shiny. There